औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Today I presenting you a poem of song. The poet is the great Gulzar Sahib. The singer is great Kishore Da. O boatman, our shore is flowing stream of river. O boatman, our shore is flowing stream of river. O boatman, O boatman. O Majhi, why you travel in water close to shore? You must have heard somewhere boat made of paper do not have any shore. O Majhi re, O Majhi re. Any shore that meet a shore is my shore. O Majhi re, O Majhi re. Our shore is following stream of river. Many eroded shores are following in the river. One has come across all helpful hands that one had lost earlier. O Majhi re. When someone gets a helpful hand, when movement someone gets a helpful hand, when he is surrounded by troubles, when someone gets a helpful hands, when he is surrounded by troubles, when he is surrounded by troubles in midstream is his true friend, true sports. In one is his true friend, true sport. O Majhi re. Flowing stream of river is my shore. O boatman, our shore is flowing stream of river. Flowing stream of river is my shore. O Majhi re, why you travel in water close to shore? O Majhi, why you travel in water close to shore? You must have heard someone boat made a paper do not have any shore. मोअज़्ज़िज़ ख़वातीन व हज़रात, ये ग्रेट पोएम आपके सामने अज़ीम शायर की पेश की. अब मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।